Hello, 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 children! Welcome to our mathematics class. Remember that this is the class that I love the most. It's my favorite class. It is wonderful, marvelous, terrific. I love this class. Okay, as I love you, I am going to practice and play with you a little bit a game, okay? I want to show you something. Let's see. We are going to practice addition. And well, before our practice, we are going to think about one exercise. Let's see. At home, you have a page like this one. Yeah? Okay, well, what do we have here in the cloud? You have a number 6. In this case, you have number 4. And in this case, you have number 9. But what or which of these addition sentences corresponds to this result? 4 plus 1 makes 5. So we are not going to circle this one. 5 plus 1 makes 6. Okay, so we are going to circle this answer because 5 plus 1 makes 6. Now, 6 plus 0. Is this addition sentence correct for this result? Yes, it is. So you are going to circle it. Okay, very good. Now, what are we going to have here? Here we have number 4. Let's continue with the next page and you will see some examples. Look, as I was telling you, we are going to see if these addition sentences corresponds to the result. Now, if you identify the result and the addition number and the addition sentence corresponds to this result, you are going to circle, 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 circle. Okay, let's continue with the next one. Oh, as I was telling you, look, 5 plus 1 makes 6 and 6 plus 0 makes 6. So you are going to circle this one. 4 plus 1, no, 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 no. No, you cannot circle because that is not the number sentences that corresponds to this result. Okay, let's continue. Now, what are we going to do? Let's do it. We are going to do it together. Okay. You have at home some pages like those, and we will check right now. For that, you will need some pencils and colors. Let's continue with number 4. 4 is the result. Which of these corresponds to this number? 2 plus 2? Yes, 2 plus 2 makes 4. So that means that you can circle this. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4? Yes, that makes 4. So we can also circle this one. But what happened with 4 plus 2? Is that the correct number sentence for 4? No. 4 plus 6 makes 6. 4 plus 2, excuse me, makes 6. So it is not correct for this one. Okay, now let's continue with column number 3 for 9. Oh, 8 plus 2 makes 9. Yeah. No. 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 Okay. Oh, Miss Patty, excuse me. I was copied because I am a little bit crazy and sick, obviously. 8 plus 2 is not 9. It is 10, Miss Patty. Okay, 7 plus 2. What happened with 7 plus 2? Is it equals to 9? 9, 9? Yes, very good. And 5 plus 2. Yes, of course. No. Boys, what do you think? 5 plus 2 equals 9? Girls, do you agree with them? Is 5 plus 2 equals 7? So I cannot circle this one? Okay, well, okay, It's okay. Well, look, what are we going to do with these addition facts? We are not going to color the answer. No. Amores, no vamos a colorear el resultado. Lo que vamos a colorear son las number sentences, ¿ok? Como les estaba enseñando ahorita. Once you finish the answer, you're going to take a picture and put it upload into Seesaw, ¿ok? Cuando terminen de encontrar las number sentences que corresponden a ese resultado, le toman una foto y lo suben a Seesaw, porque yo quiero ver qué fue todas esas cosas hermosas que ustedes hicieron y cómo lo hicieron. Bueno, recuerden que para cada columna puede haber más de una respuesta y está bien. Bueno, no se vayan a asustar. Ustedes saben que Miss Patty a veces les pone una que otra trampilla para ver si estos ratoncillos míos que yo quiero tanto, que los amo, que los abrazo, me responden de la mejor manera. Si no me respondéis de la mejor manera, como decía la mamá de Irene, vamos, que podéis equivocaros un poco. Bueno, mis amores, I love you so much and I want to see your work in Seesaw. Bye bye.